How's it going, everybody? My name is Miyuka. I am the co-owner of Icarus, and today I'm here to show you the updated version of Fortnite stats. So, for the last 2 months Fortnite stats has not been working due to an update regarding stats in general from Fortnite after the Chapter 2 update. So we had to work around it, and on top of that, with our verification system, it was kind of finicky, and for a while we just completely disabled the command. However, due to a lot of people still wanting the Fortnite stat feature with Icarus, we have decided to fix it. There is going to be some changes from the first time you've used it to now, and that's what I'm going to be going over with you. So the first thing that we are going to discuss is how to use the command itself. So if I go ahead and use the prefix and ftn, this is going to run the command. Now at the moment, I don't believe I have my account linked to Icarus yet. However, that is something you can do. So if you run ftn by itself, if you are not linked, should theoretically, yeah, do that. Perfect. So it's just going to tell you like what you need to do to set it up. If you want to link your account to Icarus, or if you just want to look up an account and how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and look up my account. So I am on PC, and PC is the default platform with Icarus. So all you have to do if you're on PC is type in the command ftn, put a space, and your username. You can do PC like so if you really want to, but it's not necessary. So if I type enter, theoretically, it should pull my stats. And as you can see, it did. So the first thing that you are going to notice that is different is the background. So prior to this update, the background would always change. Now that is not the case anymore because it is a lot easier on our bot. So it is going to be one image. The background's still going to look pretty and all that stuff. You're still going to have all the text on screen. The background's just not going to change. So that's going to be the first change that has taken place. Now, if you want to look up a console stats, so if you are on PS4 and or Xbox, this is how you do it. Run the command ftn. This time, I'm going to start with PS4. PS4 being PSN space and the username QWRVJ is my friend's name. Oh, there it goes. Icarus was taking its sweet time. As you can see, the icon up here is now a PSN icon, and it pulls the stats. Next, I am going to do an Xbox account. I don't know any Xbox accounts off the top of my head. However, I do know where to get one, and you will see a cut right now. Okay, so the account is for Xbox that we are going to show you is J-rated. So if you're on Xbox, the account or the thing you got to type in is XBL for Xbox Live and the username. So use code RATE, and it should pull the info. As you can see, info pops up, Xbox icon up in the corner, and that is all set to go. Now, I did mention earlier that you can indeed link your account. Now, how to do so is prefix ftn link link and then your platform. So for me, PC, and my username. Just gotta wait for Icarus to catch up. Discord has been rather laggy as of late. And as you can see, Fortnite account linked, platform PC, username TwitchXMiuka. And if I go ahead and just type FTN all by itself, it does indeed pull my stats. You can do this on Xbox as well, or PS4, it doesn't matter, just do FTN link, PS4/XBL space username. Now, there is another thing you can do. We do have a verification system in Icarus, and I have made 2 videos on it on our channel, one from Dwight, one from me. If you want to go ahead and check those out, go ahead and watch the previous videos on our channel. However, when you are not linked to the bot itself, what's it called? And you run FTN by itself, it obviously shows that error message, right? However, if you are verified with Icarus, it will grab that information and it will save it to our database, causing it to kind of automatically link for stats. So I'm going to show you how this works over on my alt account, because I've already linked on this account. So this is my alt, it's called Miuka Test. So what we are going to do is we are going to the Icarus channel. Let me just mark as red. I'm going to go down to the verified channel. And you can also find our video as well on verification right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the little link here, and you'll see that Icarus has DM'd me. And then it's going to ask me some questions. So I'm a PC player, I'm a keyboard and mouse player, I'm an NA East player. I'm going to type in my username. I'm going to say it's correct. It's going to give me this code, right? And then if I go ahead and open up Epic Games Launcher, just give it a second here to pop up. Okay, so we're here. If I go ahead and go to friends, add friend, Icarus verify 00, you should see that it indeed does get added automatically by our bot, Icarus verify. If I go ahead and whisper that code to our bot, thank you for verifying. Okay, so now I'm verified with Icarus, right? If I go back to Icarus support, where I was testing all these commands at, right? Okay. And if I go back over here to the channel I was working on, and I run the FTN command all by itself, even though I didn't even link it or anything, you see that my stats are indeed pulled off of my alt. Now, if I go ahead and go all the way back up, verify, unverify myself, see, Icarus unverified, I believe I should no longer be able to look up my stats like this. There you go, guys. That is the changes to the Fortnite stats command. It's up and working again. It's not going to be as flashy as the other one was because API issues and whatnot. However, it's working great now. One image, text, link, all that stuff, man. It's all there. So I hope you enjoy that we have reintroduced the command to you guys. There is also another change that was done to Icarus itself that I'll be going over now. As some of you may know, we have a command for playlist, right? You can make a playlist on Icarus and queue up playlist and basically have a bunch of songs in a queue all at once. and just by favoriting songs, basically. And prior to this update, our bot would load every song one at a time instead of all at once, and it wouldn't play the first song immediately until every song was loaded. So depending on the size of the playlist, it may take longer for you to hear your music. So what we have changed is when you queue up a playlist, your playlist will immediately start playing the first song, and now it will automatically queue all of the songs at once. And I can go ahead and demonstrate that now to you. I'm going to go ahead and leave my alt. I'm going to go into our list here. And I'll do that later. So YouTube video, staff for yep. And if I go ahead and type PL play, and if you are new to our playlist feature, you can do playlist by itself, I believe, and it will give you the commands for playlist. And there you go. But if I go ahead and type PL play, which my playlist has been selected, my playlist is the largest playlist on Icarus, being over 130 songs, I believe. And my playlist would take about 3 minutes to start working because of how many songs had to be queued. Now with the update, our playlists update quite literally immediately, so I would like to demonstrate that now. As you can see, 137 songs were queued because of the current one, and 136 remaining. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I do really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been about 2 months since I've uploaded, but we've had things on our plates that we were doing, and you know, we had just things going on IRL, man. Happens. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, by all means, invite the bot to your server if it isn't already. You can find the link in the description below. On top of that, feel free to subscribe to the channel, comment on the video, like, dislike, do whatever you gotta do. Every time that we release a big update, we will update you via YouTube and also our changelog command/server. If you want to talk to us, go to our support server. That's where we're at. You can also go to my Twitch, which is twitch.tv/xmiuka. That's pretty much it, guys. The next update will be whenever it comes out, and as soon as it is, we will we'll let you know on YouTube. So feel free to vote for our bot as well. That's the thing I forgot. Voting for our bot is very important to gain, or to help give us publicity to the public. So voting will also be in the description below. And that's everything, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. This is Miyuko, and I'm out. Peace.